All right, we're going to teach you Rock the Baby and Dizzy Baby. We're going to combine these two because it's not too hard to learn Dizzy Baby once you have your Rock the Baby down. Rock the Baby is another trick. Almost everyone knows of it. If you say, I'm going to show you Rock the Baby, they're going to know you're doing a yo-yo trick for them. Rock the Baby looks like this. Get a strong sleeper going. You take your non-throw hand and you bring it down. You want it, let's say, about a third down the string. You take your throw hand again and you bring this hand down and you want to grab about this far from the bottom of the yo-yo. You'll see that if I grab too close when I try and go into it, it's not going to work. Let me just real quick show you what it looks like first, and then I'll break it down again. This is a Rock the Baby. It's just swinging back and forth between the triangle that you formed. So once again, to form that triangle, you pinch down here about 1/3 away down the string. Come up, and it's not quite a third from the yo-yo, but it's pretty close. Put your hand into the string like that, and you're actually going to pull. It's kind of like a lever. You pull straight down in towards your chest. Put your fingers through it, open it up, and then swing the yo-yo through that triangle like so. 1, 2, 3 rocks is good. Then bring it through the front, drop it down, and catch. That's Rock the Baby. Dizzy Baby, you just take it a little further. Once you have your Rock the Baby going strong, you actually just pinch up here, like so, and you swing it in toward yourself. You'll see it's going to circle around, like that. And that's actually a pretty cool looking trick. So, once again, for Rock the Baby, pinch, pinch, form that triangle, pull it through. You can rock it, you can swing it. Another thing to keep in mind when you're first starting to Rock the Baby, try and put this over your thumb. Don't pinch it right away, because if you get like too far down, you can actually just pull a little bit and readjust it. It's a good thing to practice is try and have it over your thumb so you can adjust the tension, adjust the height of it there. Then you'll be ready to rock, you'll be ready to swing, and that's Rock the Baby and Dizzy Baby.